Welcome back to The Introverted Entrepreneur, where we delve into the world of affiliate marketing strategies. Today's topic is incredibly powerful and often underestimated email marketing for affiliate success. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to boost your game, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. So why email marketing? Email remains one of the most effective channels for reaching your audience. With billions of active email users worldwide, it's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. By building a targeted email list, you create a direct line of communication with potential customers who have already expressed interest in your niche. The foundation of successful email marketing is a quality email list. Forget about buying lists. It's all about organic growth. Offer something of value. It could be a free ebook, a webinar, or exclusive content in exchange for your audience's email addresses. Make sure to use opt-in forms strategically on your website and social media to capture leads. Now, let's talk about segmentation and personalization. Divide your email list into segments based on demographics, interests, or behavior. This allows you to send highly targeted and relevant content to specific groups. Personalization is key. Addressing your subscribers by their name and tailoring content to their preferences increases engagement and conversion rates. Moving on to content creation, this is where the magic happens. Your emails should provide value and create a sense of urgency. Share valuable information, exclusive offers, and compelling stories related to your affiliate products. Use eye-catching visuals, compelling headlines, and a clear call to action to guide your subscribers toward the desired action, whether it's making a purchase or signing up for a trial. Time is money, and that's where automation comes in. Set up email sequences to nurture your leads automatically. Welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-up sequences can all be automated, saving you time and increasing the chances of conversions. Most email marketing platforms offer robust automation features, so take advantage of them. Lastly, don't forget to monitor and optimize your email campaigns. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Test different subject lines, content formats, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Analytics are your best friend here, helping you refine your approach and maximize results. Remember, building a relationship with your audience is the key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow marketers.